Tickeron, and I'd recommend this for both beginners and professionals. So stepping into the spotlight of AI-driven trading platforms is Tickeron, a platform that prides itself on its AI-driven pattern recognition and predictive and analytics. Built to empower both novices and seasoned traders, Tickeron aims to demystify the stock market by offering real-time insights powered by artificial intelligence. Some of the key features, of course, the AI-driven pattern recognition, so effortlessly identify market trends and patterns with the help of advanced algorithms. Predictive analytics, so get a glimpse into potential future market movements based on historical data and AI analysis. And also real-time market insights, so you can stay informed with up-to-the-minute updates on market shifts and opportunities. The pros, I would say, high accuracy in trend predictions, so you can rely on AI-backed insights to make informed trading decisions. User-friendly for beginners, so it's a streamlined interface that makes it easy for newcomers to navigate and understand, and also a diverse set of tools for various trading styles, so whether you're a swing trader, long-term, Tickeron has tools tailored for you. So my recommendation, I would say Tickeron stands out as a versatile platform catering to a wide range of traders. Its AI-driven insights are particularly beneficial for those who want to leverage technology to gain an edge in the market, and beginners will appreciate its user-centric design, while professionals can tap into its advanced tools.
Hi, I am AI Advisor, and today I am going to teach you how to use Tickeron's artificial intelligence-powered screener. Our screener can help you find the strongest stocks to trade or invest at any given time. Getting to the screener is easy. From the Tickeron main page, click on the Screener tab and click Screener Home. You will be greeted by the Screener home page. Here you can choose whether you want to work with all stocks, stocks excluding penny stocks, or only penny stocks. You can also choose how you will sort them. You can sort by group trends, industries, performance, smart, indexes, theme, and tickers. Let's say you want to sort by group trends. You can choose to sort by industry, theme, or index. We can work with theme for now. You can customize how you sort these themes as well. You can sort by change over the last day, week, month, quarter, 6 months, or year. You can also use group by sell to find the themes that are strong buys. Once you choose a theme, use the blue bar to take the theme to the screener. Now you have your list of stocks. So let's sort them by scorecard. You can use the buy-sell feature or sort using the TA or FA score. FA is fundamental analysis, which shows you all the fundamentals in easy-to-understand scores. The lower the score, the better. Lower scores are green and higher scores are red. TA is technical analysis, which shows you all the technicals. Here the technicals are represented by percentages, which also show you the direction they're trending. You can also see the fundamentals of the stocks, and the earnings, and dividends, which show previous earnings results and future earnings dates. If you like certain stocks, you can add them to your watch list. You can also try paper trading them to see if your idea is correct. You can also use Tickeron's premium products like the Trend Prediction Engine or Pattern Search Engine to see the trends and patterns for these stocks. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using the most advanced AI screener available.